Hello and welcome to this CloudBlast tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to install Docker on Ubuntu 2004 in under 3 minutes. Let's get started. First, connect to your VPS via SSH. Once connected, install the necessary packages to allow your system to add Docker's repository. Next, add Docker's official GPG key, which will verify the Docker packages you'll download. Once the repository is set up, update your package list again to include Docker. Then install Docker. When it's done, you can quickly check if the installation was successful by viewing the Docker version information. Now, let's test Docker by running a simple Hello World container to confirm it's working properly. And that's it. Docker is now installed and ready to use. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and invite you to visit our website, cloudblast.io. Thanks for watching.